Traveler ND3576 initiating the travel log. Triangulating the fallen predecessor's last known location. Commencing search.
Operating unit signal loss detected. Lazarus protocol engaged. Welcome, Traveler MD3576. Your predecessor has ceased its functioning. It's time to awaken. Commencing standard cognitive abilities trial. Focus your attention. What do you see?
Giant. Sleeping.
Again.
Rocks. Island.
Again.
Fire. Spreading.
Phase 2. Focus your attention. What is your purpose?
To pave the path.
The family maintains the well-being of its members and of society.
Mother.
A mother is the female parent of a child. Mother.
Child.
Phase 3. Time pressure. Focus your attention. Act solely on your instincts. Everyone's already in place. People.
Togetherness.
Conflict will always be found in society. Conflict.
Society.
Eternity means the infinite time that never ends. Eternity.
Eternity.
Dark.
Dark.
Trial completed. Welcome to the vocation, Traveler. Your task is to find your predecessor, ND3500. Secure the anchor. Let our work continue. The collective grants you the healing of this relic. It is a shift blade EPH611. May it serve you fault free.
Such is our calling.
Such is our calling.